Hi, Robert FitzGibbons, orthopedic surgeon at Front Range Orthopedics and Spine. Practicing in Longmont, Colorado for the past 25 years, specializing in disorders of the shoulder and knee, and have performed over 8,000 surgeries and counting. Grew up in Chicago, Illinois. Did my training at Loyola for medical school and Northwestern for my residency, and a fellowship I spent a year doing sports medicine in Indianapolis. Moved out here in 1993. Got 3 lovely girls who used to be young and now they're in their mid-20s. They've spread out across the country, one in New York, one in Boston, and one in Chicago. Outside of my orthopedic practice, if it's summertime, I enjoy water sports, kayaking on a small lake near our home, or I'm on the golf course. To try and stay in shape, I'll ride a mountain bike occasionally for exercise. Every chance we have will be in the mountains, either snowboarding or snow skiing. I've got a certain patient who I initially saw when she was, I believe, about 35 years old. She'd had some knee surgery in the past. Her knee was not doing well. It was affecting her both mentally and physically.
Everyone that I asked highly recommended Dr. FitzGibbons, even my insurance company when I called them. So I kind of just did a little bit of research, and then I felt comfortable with him, and I'm glad I did.
We ultimately did a reconstructive surgery on her knee. We did a highly advanced procedure.
So the knee is holding up awesome. I would say that I have far exceeded any of my expectations, and I would probably imagine some of his expectations of what I would be able to do. Now I would say I'm in the best physical shape of my life, and I hike up to 25 miles at one time. So for that, I'm super grateful to Dr. FitzGibbons.
Front Range Orthopedics has always been a proponent of supporting the community and giving back. Some of the support that we have provided is through the St. Vrain Valley School District. And in addition, in the last 14 years, we've been a big supporter of A Woman's Work.
A Woman's Work provides one-time financial assistance to local women in need. Things like a month of rent, utilities, car repairs. And Front Range Orthopedics has been a supporter since day one. And their employees now, they have to give a donation every Friday in order to dress casual. The employees donate, and then on top of that, Front Range Orthopedics gives a donation as well. It's that assistance that you can't find anywhere else in the community. And so we're that bridge that connects them from their need to sustainability.
I think what sets Front Range Orthopedics and Spine apart from other orthopedic groups, in my humble opinion, is the quality of the surgeons, the experience and longevity of our staff, which creates a comfortable environment when patients come in with highly knowledgeable staff, to be efficient, yet understanding that people have places to go and children to take care of, and we try and make this as efficient but innovative as it can be. Wrap? All right, well, you tell me. Make it look pretty.